All right, guys. LGO, Toronto Stock Exchange. And that is Largo Resources Ltd. Another pick from the US stock screeners on stageanalysis.net. And let's check out this beast, guys. Look at that nice base. And I think this has been already, this is right away by looking at the monthly, identifying. Right now I see there was a breakout right here. Sideways move, pullback, small 3 months consolidation, 1, 2, 3, breakout. And right now there's another consolidation happening right here. 1, 2, and it looks like it's even breaking out right there. So when we're going to explode that on the weekly, doing the Stan Weinstein, we're going to observe that something is brewing right there. Remember, patterns, give targets. Check it out. Patterns, give targets that bring you closer to a higher resistance line. And after that, eventually, here it kind of broke out, pull back just below the breakout line, continues to go up, and that's going to give you see reaching right here. This is what I call wall support, breakdown, and that support has now become resistance. It's a wall. See how you're slowing down at this area? And that's the congestion you have right here, guys. To get that alert. So what is that going to give to me? And I'd have this nice base of a target, bring us close to highs, previous highs. Could this be it, guys? Am I reading this correctly? Here we are today. So we're going to look on the weekly. I know here that I'm going to probably have some monthly defined resistance. So maybe an eventual pullback at 330, 329 on the week, and on any chart might have some pullbacks right here. But it was monthly defined resistance that gave that pullback, that power, the weight to the resistance. The higher the trend, the higher the time frame, the more weight that resistance has. Those closes and opens, super duper important. The higher the time frame. And let's zoom in, guys. Let's see what we have. This is going to look like a continuation breakout. Oh, look at that. Stage 2. Fast stage 3. Whoa, stage 4. Beautiful stage 4. See how you're far away from the 30-week average? Not even, no emotional risk there. You don't have to, I'm a little bit through it. You have to exit. None of that. Just beautiful. All the way down. Crossover. That's it. End of stage 4. Stage 3, back to stage 1. Stage 1's for a while. And right now we exploded a while back, guys. Look at that. Let's go back. Even right here, look at that. You see the volume? I'm gonna zoom in. Look at the volume pick up here. Remember I say I trust most second and third breakout? Oh, here's the first breakout off the bottom. Twice the average volume the first 4 weeks. It's good. Pull back. Contracting volume, bam, explosion again. Second breakout right there. Man, how many are we gonna have? So the first one, it's all good, but you still want price action to keep going up to start skewing more and more 30-week average. Time moves on, little sideways move. Oh, so need a little more time to marinate. Volume contracted. Defining a range. see what happens after that. Oh, right there. This one. See this volume candle? Another one. Another one. This one here. And which one was it? This one right here. This one right there. And this one here. So another twice the average volume. Remember in this sideways move, the RSI kind of breathed, deflated a little bit, and then bang, go back up again. Pull back. That's what's frustrating about breakouts, guys. You have the breakouts, the thrust, and you get all hyped up. And what people forget is, what you have to remember is within 1 to 3 months, most of the time in a stage 2 breakout, you'll have a pullback, and it happens over and over. And that's where people give back the money. No price action going back down. See, thrust, 1, 2, 3, slow down, or even go down, pull back, thrust, go up a little bit more, slow down, pull back. Here, a whole bunch of emotions, just need more time. So that's the first breakout. I trust the second breakout a little more than the first. And where's the third one? Right there. The third one, that's the one I trust the most. And this is just a continuation breakout, guys. Price action getting close to 30-week moving average. Thrust out. Price action starting to get close to 30-week moving average. And oh, look at that, man. These are awesome continuation breakout. Lots of opportunities to add on. Look at that. Look at the volume. It's perfect stand. Perfect stand. Volume quiets down. Then you have some crazy candle, twice the average, even more. On a break of a horizontal breakout line above the 30-week moving average. RSI going up. Stan would say, hey, Pat, don't use the RSI. Use the Mansfield. Well, it's a poor man's Mansfield. Well, it's not even close to being a Mansfield. Mansfield being comparing the performance of the stock against the index it's in. And I'm just comparing the performance of the stock against itself, guys. And here we are. Oh, so what? Within 1 to 3 months, pullback. Ooh, red candle. That one's scary. Warning sign. You want contracting volume. You don't want these crazy red candles there on these pullbacks. Oh, some more sideways move, and that's what it usually generates, guys. When you have these red candles, doesn't mean it's that the pullback's a reversal. It means the pullback is not healthy, in the sense that you might need more time to marinate, more time to digest all this selling, this high pressure selling. Need more time for the build for the stock, or to build up thirst for buyers. So it's just sideways move. So you're crunching. But remember, the more you're in a sideways move, the closer you are to a breakdown. If you're always in an uptrend and your pullbacks are fast and light on low volume, then the price action stays relatively up, and you're less in neutral territory where you have a greater chance of going in downwards. Oh, wow. Okay, here we are. Okay, guys, is this a continuation breakout? Looks like it. Like this one here, and what I love, look at that. I love this volume. Very low volume. Contracting, RSI deflating. So we're just ahead of the curve for this one, guys. Just ahead of the curve. So what I'm anticipating, what I would love, crescendo volume. Looks like that. Have these two crazy volume candles. This is this week that started. Maybe this week, get close up, see where it closes. Maybe next week, solid close above 194. That's a weekly defined breakout line. The monthly is 175. Let's go back. Did I say 175? No, 175 is that previous support turn resistance. So this is the congestion area where we're at. And the actual breakout would be small launching pattern on the monthly, 1, 2, and we're right now. So if you get a close above 183, let's check it out. What's that one? Oh, 182. If we get a close above 182 on the monthly, and why did I put the 194 there? Let's go back on the weekly. Oh yeah, 194. So the weekly defined breakout line is 194. That is like noise. This is our wicks, right? Anything above 183 are the wicks that we saw in those 2-3 months on the monthly. So the monthly defined breakout line 183, weekly defined breakout line 194. Ideally, if we could get a close that spans both with these high volume candles, twice the average of the previous 4 weeks. If it could coincide with the end of July, that would be awesome. End of July, confirmed breakout. Weekly confirmed breakout. Continuation buy. 30-week average. Look at that angle. It's perfect. That's what you want. Far off the base. Man, it's looking good. It's looking good. And you know that 329 is their next zone of resistance, of monthly defined resistance. Because on the weekly, there's nothing. There's no weekly defined resistance. I use the Ichimoku cloud for that. It's the red cloud, where the red cloud is way dissipated. So it should be traditional stand movement here. Burst, pull back, contracting volume, burst, all the way up to at 330 area. There's harmony with the monthly. It would give harmony with the weekly. All we need now is to be just a bit patient and just wait for that breakout candle right here. Just wait for it. Wait for the close above those levels. If we're lucky, it's going to coincide also with the close of the monthly above those levels. And if we have the volume, guys, this is an A+, man. A+ continuation by LGO. Sounds good, right? Keep that one close. All right, ciao. Do 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 do.